How y'all doing? Welcome to Woodshed Antics. If it's your first time here, welcome. If you've been around a while and you continue to show up to support the channel, thank you from the bottom of my heart. As always, like, share, and subscribe. It's how we grow the channel. It's how we keep chasing the stream. So we just had the judging finished. So we have the results. So I'm going to walk you through. This is the final and finished carvings. Tell me what you think, how you think it should have shook out. I'm impartial. I've just learned through the years that it is what it is. I'm not the judge, so I'll let you guys decide. We're gonna spin you around here. And this is August. This is going to be second place. August and his rabbits. This is Joe Srholez. Get in there, Joe. This is gonna be third place. Through here. No, you're good.
Yeah, so it's the first.
And then we have first place, the bull rider. This is August. He also got Artist Choice Award. Good job, August. Congratulations, buddy. It's the bull rider. This is People's Choice. This is Dustin Grant with People's Choice. This is Matt Ounsworth's. Here, kitty, kitty. And then here is the Manta carving. And that's that. So that concludes this year's Whittle the Wood 2026. My carving was flying lessons. I had a ball. I always have a riot here. I got a lot of good friends here in Craig, Colorado. It's good to see everybody. It's good to catch up with all the carvers. 2 new carvers this year. One from Mongolia, one from Iceland. August was a great guy. His son, Axel, great kid. I've had a great time here. Enjoyed it, everything. We'll have to wait and see what happens next year, but thanks for watching.